Now I want to introduce you that is our villa elevator. The villa elevator we're using the arrangement that is the villa, the home, and the multi-story building. You can see this decoration. It is very nice, designed for the personality. When your home make it, you will feel your decoration in your building is becoming a different high level. Let's go into inside to check. Please see our handrail. All the bottom is on-side, so in your family, if you have the old people or the children, it's very convenient for them. So it is protect our family and convenient for our family. As the developing of our company, we has a lot of good partner and we with them has a good relationship and cooperation, such like this wall, like Media and Nanhai and Guangdong Metro. In Guangdong Metro Line 7, Line 13, when you take it, you will find the Winone product. If you have any new thinking, please email to us, because we also want to have good cooperation with you. In the future, your name will be on this floor too. Please connect us.